Hi Drastic Cuties, Wendy here. Today we're going to draw Princess Peach from Super Mario. So let's get started. To draw Princess Peach, we're going to first start by drawing her face. So I'm going to come right here. So we're going to come to the other side, about right here. And I'm just going to go ahead and connect it. A curve at the bottom. There's a basic bottom of a U, and then from there let's go to the side right here, and we're going to draw the strand of hair that's on the side of her face. So I'm going to come real close and just follow the curve I just made for her face, and about right there I'll just go ahead and zigzag, and same thing over here. So really close, and about right there, zigzagging. And then let's come back to where we started, and we're going to go really close to this strand of hair and draw a circle. So we needed our face a little bit wider so we can fit all of this in. So about right here, draw the other circle. Once again, close to that strand of hair. There. Okay, let's come in here and make them draw so cute eyes. So 2 small circles for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And the lines at the bottom. So same thing over here. There we have the eyes in. Let's come to the side and we're going to draw 2 lashes. And another one. And then from there, let's come to the center about right here and just give her a smile. So about right here, I'm just going to draw a curve and cap it off. Okay, so from there, let's start to work on her gorgeous hair. So let's bring this up a little bit more. Above her eye, same thing over here, and from there let's find our center. So now that we have that in, let's come to about right here. I'm just going to give myself a point right in the center, and from there I'm going to draw a curve that comes up on both sides, and then right here I'm going to connect it with a curve. And same thing over here. And then let's come to the top right here. Before I forget, just draw a little curve right at the top. Okay, so we have the basic face framed in. Let's come to the side and we're going to draw her ear. Right here on your eye area, and same thing over here. And I'm going to come in here with some details for her ear. And let's draw her earring. So right underneath, just draw a big loop. Big circle right there. And then now let's work on her hair. So we're going to comb up, say about right here, right in the center. From that point, we're going to go up. We're going to start to draw the top of her hair. So up on both sides. And let's work on this side first. So I'm going to draw 2 zigzags. So 1 strand about right there. And there's going to be another strand that comes back to here. So 1 more and bring it right back to here. So let's do the same thing. So it's basically this strand that loops back here. So I'm going to curve about right there, curve in. And same thing again, and bring it right back. So then let's come and work on the crown right now. So let's come to the center and we're just going to draw an oval right in the center, big curve I mean, and inside we can draw the oval for the jewel. Let's come to the side right here with another curve and another curve inside for the jewel. And same thing in here. So it's very centered. Now we can go ahead and draw the top of the crown. So I'm going to come right here, go straight up on both sides. And find our center, so about right there. And I'm just going to zigzag all the way back up to there. So same thing right here. There. Just makes it a little bit easier. Give yourself points. And just draw a curve right here. Okay, so then now let's come over here and basically continuing this curve down, so about right here. I'm going to go ahead and curve up and in. Just do the same thing over here. So it comes out beneath the ear, so about right there, and curve in. So now before I finish her hair, we have to draw her body. So let's come to center and we're going to give her a tiny little neck right in the center. Now let's draw her collar. So I'm going to come in here with two small curves and then another curve that pops out and angle it in. And go ahead and connect it. And then let's add two little lines right here for her shoulder. And then now that I know that part, let's come about, let's say about right here. And I give myself 2 points and draw angle line down for her body. So then from there, let's poof up this big sleeve right here. So let's go up. And then we're just going to curve it in. 1, 2, and 3. So same thing over here. Nice big poof. It's going to end about right there. 1, 2, and 3. So then from there we have this part, and let's come here towards the center. And we're just going to draw a curve that comes in. And now let's draw the skirt. So this is the top layer. So let's come down. And let's draw 2 more. 1, 2 more. So same thing over here. And let's come back to the center right here. And we're just going to curve and connect. So same thing on this side. And let's add 2 curves right here for some crease lines. They're basically aiming towards your curves. Okay, so now for this skirt part. So let's continue this, come out right here on both sides. Let's keep going down, give her a nice full dress. So about right there, now we're pretty even. Let's go ahead and add 1 curve, bigger one, another one, and then bring it in. So then we can add some crease lines right here. So just add 1, 2, and maybe another one. And then let's come to the bottom and draw the bottom layer, another curve, and we're just going to follow our top curve. And 1 more. There, all done. Okay, so now we can draw her hands. So I'm just going to have them right to her side, so make it a little bit easier to draw. Let's draw her arm right here coming out. And she's wearing these beautiful white gloves. So let's bring this in. And we're going to taper it down to about right there. And just angle it in. So that way you don't have to draw too many details. So same thing over here. It's a good way to cheat. So same thing. Curve and a curve tuck it in. And about right there. And bring it in. And then right here in the center, she has this oval design. So I'm just going to draw an oval right here. And another oval inside for the jewel. And let's see, oh, and of course we have to finish her gorgeous hair. So let's bring this part in, and then let's wave it out, and wave it up, and bring it in. So same thing over here. So just approximate kind of where her hand is, and then tuck it in. And I think that's pretty much it for my version of Princess Peach from Super Mario. Hope you love how it turned out and inspires you to draw it too. Thanks so much for watching, and please subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw Videos. See you later.